Gentlemen, welcome to this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips on Revit. So for this specific episode, I'm going to show you how we model roof tiles. We have different types of roof tiles. We have the Italian, we have the Spanish, the American. You can model all those tiles. So we are going to model a family roof tile, a single roof tile, because when they are placing them, they place one by one to come up with that pattern of the roof. So to start with, we are going to create our new template. We name it, we look for architecture template, the project. So we open. So this is our project where we are going to model the tile from. The tile sits on each other. And I think let us dive into the lesson so that you can try to understand what I'm trying to say or explain. We shall come to file. We click on file. We create new family. You come to under new family. So we are creating a family. We use metric curtain panels. So we look for a metric curtain panel. There is this metric curtain wall panel. We don't choose this. We go to metric curtain panel pattern based. This is what we use. So we click on this. We open. It will give us this interface. So why do we choose that pattern based panel? It is because it is diverse, that we can do all parametrics. All parametrics that you may think are impossible in modeling. We can model them using that panel. For this one, we are going to use that. So I'll set my panel. I click on it. I'll give it the dimensions. I have to make sure my working units are in millimeters. So I will type UN on my keyboard. I check under length. Yes, I have millimeters. That is okay. So I click on my panel. I give it dimensions. I'm going to give it 306. I want my tile to be 300, but I'm adding the 6 because there is that overlap. Our tile sits on the other. That's why I'm giving it 306. It's okay. So this is our panel based. We are going to start with setting a plane. So I'll come, click on set a plane. I'll choose this vertical plane. I click on it. Then I come and I draw. Under the model lines, I'm going to select this start end radius arc. I'm going to select it because I want my tile to have that arc to be curved a bit. So I'll click on it. I come, I draw here up to the midpoint of this panel. This is the midpoint. I curve it. You can give what you want, a curve that you feel is okay. I come up to here, I curve downwards to that. I press escape several times till I remove the command. So this is what I have. I'm going to offset this by 60. 60 is a bit high. I'm going to offset it by 30. The 30, that is the slope I want to give my tile. So I'm going to come and set a plane. I pick this vertical plane on this side, click on it, then I come, I pick line, I offset by, let me say, 30. Click on this, click on this. So we are still on this vertical plane. I'll give it an offset of 10. So 10 is the thickness I want to give my roof tile. So I'll offset 10 this side, 10 this side. Then I'll do the same also this side. I'll set up plane again. Make sure where you're going to edit from, you already set a plane. So I'll set this vertical plane on this side. I pick lines. I offset the thickness, which is 10. This and also this. So what I was trying to mean is this. So this is the slope I'm having for my tile. So I'm going to close the loops. Yeah, we are still on this plane this side. So I will come, I will choose on this line draw. This one draws a line straight. So I'll click on it. I remove the offset to 0. I come and draw it. I close this loop. Press escape once. I come close it this side. I set my plane again because I'm going to close this side. I set this plane. I pick this line. Click on this. I close this loop. Press escape. Close this loop. Like that. Press escape several times. So now what I have to do, I'll select this one, this side. I hold on my control. I select also this one. Then I come here to create form. I click on create form. I get this. So this is my tile. As you can see the slope from this side. Yeah, this is the slope I mean. So that means this will have to sit on this. Yeah, so next we are going to add guardings to our roof tile. Yeah, those ones which sit on one another. So we are going to add them on our front side of our roof. That is this side. Yeah, we are going to add them here. So the same way, I come and set a plane. I'll set the vertical plane. I'll come and pick lines. Pick this upper one. Pick also this. Then I'll offset. I can give it 20. Yeah, I can give it 20. Come and offset it downwards like this. Like Ctrl Z. Like that. Then now I have to close the loops. I come and just draw the lines. I remove this offset 0. I come here. I draw this. Escape. I come and draw it also here. Escape. Now I select this. I make sure I've selected all the lines I've drawn. There's this one. I hold on my control. I click. Then I come and create form. So I've created my guard. So I'll have to reduce it a bit. Reduce it to your desired. You can give it a 10. 10 looks small. I can give it 20. Yeah, this is enough. So now I can just change some materials. I'll come here, I make this fine, give this maybe shaded. So I'll come and click on this tile under material by category, come and drop down default roof. Now I'm going to create now my new material. Create new material, right click, I duplicate this one, I rename it roof tile. I come to appearance, I click here, under appearance library, I look for roofing. Roofings are here. I select tile I want. I can select this Spanish tile red, give it this material, I say okay. I change here to realistic. In realistic, that is it. I give also this guard the same material. Make sure I select it. Where is it? Let's put it in hidden lines. You can select it from the side. I come here, material. I'll give it the same material. Say okay. Change to realistic. Yes, I have my tile family. Yeah, so I'm going to save it. I come here under file. I save it as family. I give it, let me save it under my, where I have my libraries, under local disk D, files, libraries, library 25. Can save it as create tiles. So I save it. I'm going to show you how we design a roof tile around here. So let me change this to hidden lines so that I can see exactly what I'm doing. Save the project. Now whenever Revit tells you to save your project, please endeavor to do so. To start with, we have to load our family into this project, that is the tile family. In the previous video, I showed you how we create a tile family, and we already created one. So we are going to load it into this project. So you come to component, you click on it, you come to load family. Yeah, my tile, in the last episode I saved it under my library 25. So here I will not show you where to get yours. It will depend where you saved yours or where you have your tile. So mine is here. We saved it as a create tile. So I'll look for it. It is right here. I click on it, open. You can see it is already loaded in the project. As you can see, it is here, and also this side. So I press escape. So to sketch out the path of our roof tile, I'll go to massing and site. It is right here. I click on massing and site. I make sure my show mass is turned on. Mine is turned on. show mass. It is turned on. I come to in place mass. I click on in place mass, the mass 1. So you can either rename it the way you want, but for this case I can go with mass 1. I click OK. I come and set a plane. I click here, set a plane. So I make sure I set my plane, I pick the upper surface. You should zoom in properly so that you make sure you pick your plane to be the upper one. That means our roof tiles are going to sit on this upper surface. So I click on that. I come here to pick lines. I sketch out the path of my tiles. So I can go with this first. I click that. I click on that. I come this side also. We are sketching the path. You zoom in properly. You pick this side also. Shall pick that one. Then for this upper side, remember we have our ridge curve passing here. So I'll offset, let me offset 50 on both sides. So I'll offset 50 inwards this side. Then I join my lines I've created. I come to this tool. I click on it. I join this with this. I extend this with this. I do the same. I make sure the loops are all closed. So I'm missing a line here. I come back, I pick line. I pick that line. I come and join. I join this to this. Join this to this. Then I select the lines I've picked. Yeah, it has selected all. Then I create form. You make sure all the lines are selected. You zoom in to see properly. You come and create form. So it has created this form. Yeah, but our form is too thick, so we shall reduce it. I can give it a distance of 20. I can give it 25. I can go with that. Then I come to divide surface. I click on it. I divide my surface. It will give me this pattern. I come where there is edit on this panel, properties. I come to uGrid. Under layout, instead of fixed number, I go to fixed distance because we already know the distance of our roof tile. Our roof tile we created was 300. Then I will change this to beginning. I come to the vGrid. Instead of fixed number, I put it at fixed distance. Our distance is 300. Then I will change this justification to end. So it will divide my grids like this. So I'll change the pattern. I come here under pattern. I drop down. I look for my tile. The clay tile is here. I click on it. I get my clay tiles. But when you look at this, the clay tiles are in the opposite direction. So what do? You come here where there is all grid rotation. You keep changing angles. For this case, I can give it 90, and we see. Yeah, for 90 that is perfect. Yeah, it has given us that slope. You tick. You finish mass. We have finished our mass. So we are having our tiles on one side. We do the same also this side. We come to massing and site. In place mass. Click on it. Mass 2. Okay. We set our work plane. We click on it. The work plane we are setting, that means the roof tile are supposed to sit on our work plane. So for this case, we zoom in and select this top surface of our roof. I click on it. I come and pick lines. I pick that one. I pick this. I come this side. I pick this. When I'm to zoom here, I think here we didn't pick. I pick this also. For this one, we have our ridge passing here, our ridge cap, so I'll offset 50 on this side. Then I join them using this join extend tool. I make sure the lines don't intersect or cross each other, so I have to make sure I close everything, plus all the closed loops, I close them. I join this to this. Then I select all the lines I've created. I zoom in, this one is not selected. I hold my hand onto control, the control key, click on it. I check this one also if it is selected. Perfect. I come here, I create form. The lines are too short, so cancel. That means there is somewhere we have not joined. Let us cross check. Let us cross check if they are all joined. This to this, that is joined. This to this, this to this. I think they are joined. Let us try again and see. Control, create form. Lines are too short. There is some short lines. Let me first delete these ones and I repeat. I don't know the short lines. Okay, let us set a plane again. We set our work plane to be that upper one. Come and pick line. So it's better you start with this downer one. I pick that. I pick that. I come this side. I pick that up. This one I will offset by 50. Then I join them. Join this to this. Join this to this. These ones are joined. This to this. I press my escape several times to remove the command. I select all these lines. I've selected all of them by holding my control key. I create form. It is still telling us the same thing. Line is too short. I'll need to cancel this. Let me cancel this mask. Cancel the mask. Let me repeat. It will have to come. So I come to masking and site. Show mask by view settings. I come to in place mask. Click on it. Mask 2. I say OK. I set my work plane. My work plane is this upper one, so I click on it. Just wait, let me reset my work plane. It is this one. Click on it. Come and pick lines. I pick that. I pick that. I come this side, I pick that, I come this way, offset my 50, I come and join them, join this to this, join this with this, join this with this, join this with this. I press my control, I escape the command, I click on all, think they have all been selected. I create mask, yeah, it has finally come. I reduce it to 25, that's what we had given also this one this side. I click on the space, I divide my surface, I come this way under its properties. The layout, instead of fixed number, I change it to fixed distance. I give it 300. Then the justification, beginning. Then the layout for the V grids, the same. Fixed distance, I give it 300. Then the justification, this will be end. Then I come under where there is the pattern, I drop down, I click on my tile pattern. I have my tile pattern. To change our angle 180, this is what it does. So 180 is perfect. Now this is supposed to sit on the downer one. Yeah. So you finish the mask by ticking. This is what we have for the roof tile. You can change here into shaded. You see the roof tiles. Perfect. Yes, so we are done with the roof tiles. Yeah, this is how they look like. This is how they place them in Revit. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you learned. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Revit tutorials and ArchCAD tutorials. Stay blessed. Till next time. Thank you.